Alright folks, just a wee video just showing you the kind of the layout of the train station area. Down there's the hotel we're staying in, and along here takes you to the train station. I keep hesitating every time I go into a zebra crossing, because where I was in Italy and Italy and Spain, I'm a wee bit hesitant to go into a zebra crossing now, because you don't know if they're going to stop. I do feel that way, but here they're really polite and they will stop. I was crossing a road there about 2 minutes ago, and I didn't notice there was a car coming. It wasn't a zebra crossing, but a guy went like, "On you go, let me go." So I had to thank you to that guy. Really nice and polite. Didn't need to do that. Could have been angry, but it wasn't. I just saw this. I don't know what this is all about. Don't know. Art. I don't know. There's a McDonald's and a Co-op over there. A wee kind of stall. Wee cafe. And there's the kind of buses. When I first saw them, I thought it was trams. I never noticed there was no tracks or something like that. Kind of embarrassed to admit that. I just never noticed. But there we go. It's a kind of mall. A lot of different things. So, up there and to the right, that's where the train station is, roughly. It's along there anyway. The trains are massive here, absolutely massive. I've never seen trains so big. It's quite impressive. But the ones we're in, they weren't packed or anything, so I don't know. So maybe in the mornings or rush hour, I don't know. No, I don't know. But I'm just going to show you them all. So there's a few levels to it. I'll just show you a wee bit. I'm not going to spend the whole day, spend much time filming this. It's a kind of food court. Not many people on it. It's a bit early. Maybe I don't do breakfast stuff much. Oh, Chaplin would like the cakes. This is quite a good beef food court. That was a good wee food court. I don't know half the stuff that's there, but I found a wee shop I want to go into. Oil and vinegar. I think it's like, well, obviously it's oils and vinegar, but kind of cooking stuff. So I'm going to have a wee look at that. So I'm going to leave you with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks. Bye bye.